The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Electric Pressure Cooker is a versatile 3-quart kitchen appliance that serves as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer, all in one. With 13 customizable smart programs, it allows you to cook everything from ribs and soups to rice, poultry, and desserts at the press of a button. Its stainless steel, fingerprint-resistant design is durable and easy to clean, with dishwasher-safe parts. Designed for smaller families or meal preppers, the Instant Pot also comes with a free app offering over 1,900 recipes. Users love the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini for its compact size and versatility, making it ideal for singles or small families. Many have praised its 7-in-1 functionality, which allows them to cook a wide range of dishes quickly and efficiently. The one-touch cooking programs are a favorite, making meal prep simple with preset options for popular dishes. Users also appreciate the quick cleanup with its dishwasher-safe components and fingerprint-resistant exterior. The free app with thousands of recipes is a hit among users looking for new meal ideas. While the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini is popular, some users have noted that the 3-quart size can be limiting for larger meals, particularly when cooking for more than 2 people. A few have mentioned that mastering the different functions, like pressure cooking and slow cooking, can take some time and trial and error. Others have reported that the smart programs may not always be perfectly calibrated for all recipes, requiring some manual adjustments. Additionally, a few users wish the sauté function offered more temperature control for browning foods. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini is a compact and versatile kitchen tool, perfect for smaller households or those looking to simplify meal prep. Its multifunctionality, from pressure cooking to yogurt making, makes it a time-saving appliance, and the easy cleanup is a big plus. While the smaller size may not be suitable for larger families, and some functions might require fine-tuning, its range of capabilities and access to a vast library of recipes make it a great choice for anyone wanting a do-it-all cooker in a small package.